The District Department of Transportation's 11th Street Bridge project began construction in December 2009, and within a year, by October of 2010, workers were ready to receive and set roadway deck girders for the first of the project's 3 new bridges, the inbound freeway bridge. To minimize impacts on the community, trucks delivered girders during overnight lane closures on an existing 11th Street Bridge with police escorts to ensure safe operations. From the trucks, cranes slowly offloaded the massive steel beams onto barges floating in the Anacostia River below. There, crews prepared the girders to be set upon structural support piers built in the river over the prior 10 months. The I-shaped girders averaged 22 tons and range from 62 to 134 feet long. They are 7 feet high and 1.5 feet wide. On November 2nd, the first 2 girders had been connected by steel diaphragms into a box and were ready to hoist into place. Setting girders is a slow, grueling process requiring meticulous attention and calculated movements. One beam, unsecured or unbalanced, can quickly undo months of progress. 2 200-ton, 160-foot high cranes on barges are used to raise the girders. Once set, girders are carefully secured in place and connected to one another using splicing plates and thousands of 1-inch diameter bolts. Initial girders were set on a pier and temporary support structure between the northwest bank and center of the river. Crews set additional girders moving first towards the southeast bank of the river, then back to the middle, and finally toward the northwest. On March 9, 2011, all 54 girders for the new inbound 11th Street Freeway Bridge were set. It's also worth noting that the project had gone 11 months without a time loss, injury, or accident. The 11th Street Bridge project is scheduled for completion in mid-2013. It's the largest project to date in the District of Columbia's $10 billion 30-year Anacostia Waterfront Initiative. That initiative, AWI for short, is revitalizing the Anacostia River and reconnecting residents and visitors to the river. You can learn more about the 11th Street Bridge project and follow its progress by visiting ddot.dc.gov/11th Street Bridge.